Hello friends, in this video we are going to see some important concept and formulae regarding the chapter limits. I will suggest you to learn this formulae as it is because they are very helpful in solving questions in JEE Mains and JEE Advanced and any of the engineering exam. Though this formulae can be easily verified and checked by using L hospital rule, but my suggestion is to you to learn this formulae as it is, and the formulas are given to you such as limit x tending to 0 sin x by x is equal to 1, limit x tending to 0 sin inverse x by x is equal to 1, and limit x tending to 0 tan inverse x by x is equal to 1, limit tan x by x, x tending to 0 tan x by x is equal to 1, and limit x tending to 0 1 minus cos x by x square is equal to 1 by 2. This 5 formulae can be easily verified using L hospital rule because as we put the limits, the value of the function is 0 by 0, which is standard form to solve L hospital rule, and the sixth formula is e to the power x minus 1 by x is equal to 1, limit x tending to 0, and limit x tending to 0 a to the power x minus 1 by x is equal to log a to the base e, and eighth formula is limit x tending to 0 log 1 plus x by x is equal to 1, and this three formulae can be easily solved or verified using the expansion which I will give you in some time. And the ninth formula is limit x tending to a x to the power n minus a to the power n upon x minus a is equal to n into a to the power n minus 1, and the 10th formula is limit x tending to 0 1 plus x raised to the power 1 by x is equal to e. This is standard formula for solving 1 raised to the power infinity, and the 11th formula is limit x tending to infinite 1 plus 1 by x to the power x is equal to e. And here are some important series expansion which are very helpful to solve many of the question, and the formulae can be easily verified from this also. The series are for the sin x it is x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x to the power 5 by 5 factorial. For cos x it is 1 minus x square by 2 factorial plus x to the power 4 by 4 factorial. For tan x it is x plus x cube by 3 plus 2 by 15 x to the power 5. I will suggest you to learn this formula as it is because they are very helpful, and if you want then I will make a separate video to tell you how they are important in solving questions. Here we go to the next formula. E to the power x is equal to 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial, and go on. Here I will suggest you to learn up to this because in many of the books I have researched and this is only given to this only. And for a to the power x it is 1 plus x log a base e plus x square by 2 factorial log a base e whole square as it, up to so on. And fifth formula is 1 plus x to the power n, it is 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial x square plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 x cube by 3 factorial, and so on. And sixth formula is log 1 plus x is equal to x minus x square by 2 plus x to the power 3 by 3 minus x to the power 4 by 4. Here are the these are the most important concept and formula regarding the chapter limits, and if you like the video then please comment me to make more questions on this topic. Thank you.